David Foster has had a serious accident. His wife's outside the operating theatre now.
Mrs. Foster, I'm Dr. Payne.
Oh, Doctor, how is he?
Well, I'm afraid we'll have to operate.
Oh, no. He's always been afraid of operations.
Don't worry. If we operate now, he'll be all right.
Oh, Doctor, do you really have to?
I'm afraid so. He's lost a lot of blood. If we don't operate, he'll die.
Mr. Frampton has just arrived at the hospital. He's going to have a minor operation tomorrow.
This is your bed, Mr. Frampton.
Oh, thank you, sister.
Now, could you get undressed and get into bed? There's a buzzer on the bedside table. If you press the button, someone will come at once.
Oh, I'm sure I won't need anything.
Well, don't forget. If you need anything, just press the button. Oh, dear, how did this happen?
He was just playing with the saucepan, and he put it on his head, and now it's stuck.
Have you tried to get it off?
No, I'm afraid of hurting him.
Yes, if we pull too hard, we'll hurt him.
What are you going to do?
Well, if I don't get it off, he won't be able to eat.
Oh, no!
I'm only joking. If I put some soap on his head, it'll come off easily.
Hello? Wadley's Garage?
Oh, good evening. I don't know if you can help me. My car's broken down.
We have a 24-hour breakdown service. Where are you?
I'm on the A357, just north of Ringbourne. My car's just past the Red Lion pub. It's a white MG.
Do you know what's wrong with it?
I've got no idea, but it won't start.
I'll send a mechanic out to you. He'll be there in about 10 minutes.
It's nothing serious, sir. You've run out of petrol.
Oh. Can you tow me to the garage?
Oh, that's not necessary. I've got a spare can of petrol in my truck.
Shall I pay you now, or shall I come to the garage?
You can pay me now.
Will you take a cheque? I've run out of cash, too.
Yes, that's okay.
Hold on. I can't find my chequebook.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, my name's Davis. I'm expecting some money from my bank in Toronto.
By post, cable, or telex, sir?
By telex.
Let me see. Ah, yes. Davis. £200 from the Royal Bank of Canada, Toronto. Have you got any identification, sir?
Well, I haven't got my passport, but I've got my driving license. Will that be all right?
Yes, sir. That'll be all right.
Mrs. Mallard has gone to see Dr. Gillespie, her family doctor.
Good morning, Doctor.
Good morning, Mrs. Mallard. What can I do for you this time?
It's those pills, Doctor. They don't seem to be doing me any good.
Really? What's wrong?
What isn't wrong with me, Doctor? It's old age, I suppose.
You're doing very well, Mrs. Mallard. You'll live to be 100.
I've got this terrible cough, Doctor. And I've still got that rash on my hands, and the backache. I can hardly walk sometimes. You don't think it's that Legionnaire's disease, do you? I've been reading about it in the paper.
No, no chance of that. You're very fit for your age.
Pardon? Anyway, I've nearly finished the old pills, Doctor. Can you give me a different colour next time?
Adrian and Susanna are going on a touring holiday of France next week. They're taking their own car. Adrian always gives Susanna a lift to work. He's dropping her off outside her office.
Oh, Susanna, I won't be able to pick you up from work tonight. I'm having the car serviced. I thought we'd better have it done before we go.
Oh, that's all right. When are you collecting it?
Not till 5:45. Why?
Well, I want to have my hair done before the holiday. I'll try and make an appointment to get it done after work. Then you can pick me up from the hairdresser's.
Okay. Can you ring me at work and let me know what time?
Right. I'll call you later. Bye.